Hi, and welcome to Everlaw. My name is Alex, and I'm on the user education team. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to Storybuilder, Everlaw's collaborative document organization and narrative building suite of tools. These tools can be used for an endless variety of workflows, like shared meeting notes, witness preparation, or team-wide review protocols. The three tools that make up Storybuilder are the timeline, drafts, and depositions. You can think of the project story as the overarching structure. As you review documents in the platform, add documents that you think will be important to your project story. That way, you can easily access them as you work in these tools. Once documents are added to your story, you'll see them in the timeline. The timeline is a powerful chronological organization tool. Your documents will appear in this list according to their assigned date values. Create labels on the left-hand side to filter your documents. There are two special types of labels: events and people. An event is simply a label with a date range. Any documents added to your story that fall within this date range will be encompassed by the event. The people label helps to organize documents by who is relevant to that particular document. People profiles can be anyone important to your case, from someone mentioned in multiple emails to a deponent. Create a new people profile by clicking the person at the top of the timeline. Create as many categories and labels as you need and click on the plus button next to a document to add a label to it. You can then use our one-click filtering to narrow down the documents in your timeline by the labels on the left. For example, one workflow could be to filter down by a people profile, then batch add these documents to a deposition object, which can be used for any interview workflow. The deposition tool is a collaborative word processor. Work with your team to draft witness questions, prepare legal strategy, or even keep notes about the case all in one place. The power of Storybuilder lies in the ability to reference documents directly in the body. Click and drag a document from the right side to add it to the body. You can also pull in additional documents by typing or copy and pasting their base numbers into the body. To export a list of these documents, check out these options and select the one that works best for your workflows. Everlaw can be used in real time during a deposition to keep yourself organized, have easy access to necessary documents, and to chat with your colleagues during the process. If you start the timer when the deposition or interview begins, you can timestamp the body by pressing Ctrl or Command M on your keyboard. If you know exhibit numbers ahead of time, enter them here for the documents in your deposition. This will allow for automatic document linking when a transcript of the deposition is uploaded to Everlaw. Once a transcript is uploaded, you can link any documents that were not previously marked with their exhibit numbers by clicking the link icon and selecting the corresponding document in the dropdown. You'll also be able to highlight important parts of the transcript and even create excerpts as testimony by adding them to the project story. This will make the excerpts available as a standalone entry in the timeline and allow you to reference the excerpt in other deposition or draft objects. A draft can be used as a collaborative workspace for your team. Some examples may include taking notes, structuring an argument, or creating a review protocol. I hope you learned something new in this walkthrough of Storybuilder. Try it out for your next case. And don't forget, anywhere you go in Everlaw, you'll see the help icon in the top right corner. This is where you can contact our support team, find suggested help articles, and join the Everlaw community to talk to other users. Last but not least, this is where you can sign up for additional training. Whether you prefer on-demand recordings, public webinars, or one-on-one custom sessions, we don't believe in charging for support. Access to our team is always included in your Everlaw subscription. To continue your Everlaw journey and learn more about building your story, click here.